everyone, my name is Nasywa Riby, absent 20I, you can call me Nasywa. So today I want to tell you how to make churros. You already know about churros, right? Cause this snack is very popular. So let's do it.
These are the ingredients you will need to make these homemade churros. 10 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of butter, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 7 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg, and melted chocolates for topping. And for the steps, first boil water, sugar, a pinch of salt, butter, then stir well. Second, add flour and stir until it becomes a dough.
A few moments later.
Step 3. Add 1 egg and mix well. Step 4. Put the doughs into the plastic. Step 5. Prepare the oil and turn on the stove over medium heat. Step 6. Fry the mixture into the pans and remove it when it is brown. The last step is put on a plate and add melted chocolate. Churros are ready to be served.
Okay, that's how to make churros and happy making. Thanks for watching.